Well, we got 78 feet here. It's not super cold, it's about 20 degrees, but we don't want to start, so I'll have to get some cables and some ether. Jump start the big Cummins at the little Cummins. How's that? Look at that. Well, that might be part of the problem. Got a wrench here. And it's wrong size. I know this truck's got a parasitic draw somewhere. You can hear the spark here and there. Well, I already loaded her down with ether in there, so we'll see if we have to do it again. Yeah, better give her the old shaky shake. Ooh, she almost had her. We'll give her some more juice. It's too warm to go into high idle on its own now. Oh, that's a little much. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's a bit high. This is the adjustable high idle. Oh yeah, boosting it. Give her a fresh snort here. Oh yeah, it likes it. Ready? Where's our, I don't know if our tack works. We'll watch the oil pressure. There. There it goes. Oh no. Set her idle here. Put that on there. There. It actually started pretty good, but it's sitting a while. You can see I didn't brush no snow off it, so. I turned my heat on. Oh yeah. Stick the old Corvette dash on defrost here. I like those, fancy. This is circa 78 truck in here. Yeah, I don't think any of the gauges work except for the important ones. The boost. Right there. That's all you need. Now we jump start the next piece of equipment. Cat 289. Battery's under the cab, that's why I haven't changed it. Or at least that's my excuse for now. So you just gotta hook this one wherever. Don't want to give this one any ether, that's for sure. There, hook it right on the engine wheel. We're getting power. Had to go bump the idle down because it likes to take off. There's a little International 4x4. There's the Detroit. I promise you, not all of our machines you have to jump start, just most of them. Alright, we're in the Cat. See if it's got any juice. It probably ain't gonna go, so let her little twirly twirl do its thing there. Yeah, there she's out. She's smoking back there. Well, I'm surprised it cranked that long. We'll We'll let her heat up again here. There she goes, she lives. Better put some fuel in her. So I got some sort of weird hitch here. I think it was a shock absorbing hitch. Anyhow, as you can see, it's not really straight. So I'm gonna fix it. Came with a camper I got. And whatever was shock absorbing in there kind of fell apart. So what I'm gonna do is loosen that, tip her straight, weld her solid. Somehow. I'll figure it out. Well, I got them loose. Just needs to be straightened up. See what we can do this with one hand. Well, that don't look quite right. That looks pretty straight. Maybe a little more. Yeah, too much. There, that's good enough. Well, we got the trailer hooked up. Put some fuel in the skid. We go load some hay. Thanks for watching.